Hi everyone. I just wanted to take a quick minute to share an update with you. You might have noticed that our channel name has changed to the Funeral Channel Network. That change really reflects how much this space has grown over time. We started out focusing mainly on funeral programs and printed memorials, but the conversations here naturally expanded. We've been talking about funeral planning, memorial options, caskets and coffins, personalization, keepsakes, and honestly, just all the decisions families are suddenly faced with when loss happens or death is imminent. At the heart of it, nothing about our purpose has changed. We're still here to support families, explain options honestly, and help make a really difficult time feel a little less overwhelming. Funeral programs and printed memorials are still very much part of what we do. They're just one piece of a bigger picture. Now this channel exists to educate, not pressure, to bring clarity, not confusion, and to help families feel more prepared and supported. Whether you're planning ahead or navigating something right now, thank you for being here and for growing with us. This is the Funeral Channel Network, and we're really glad you're here. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.